Okay, welcome to the League of Legends 101 section of the Udemy course. In this section, we're going to be covering everything from Introduction to the Rift, roles, runes for 2018, items, in-game objectives, and we're going to talk a bit about the ranked queues. At the end of the section, there's also going to be a small activity where we'll suggest something fun that you can do to actually go through a bit of the stuff that we've gone through so you better remember it. So I hope you enjoyed. This is League of Legends 101. Let's go! First and foremost, what you see right now on your screen is the map over Summoner's Rift. Summoner's Rift is the main 5v5 battle arena that League of Legends is played out on, at least competitively. Per today, there is no other 5v5 map that is used. There is, however, a 3v3 map called Twisted Tree Line, and there is a all random, all mid mode, but we're not going to go deeper into that because primarily we want to focus on the 5v5, Summoner's Rift, and how the game works in solo queue and competitively. What you see here on the map is two bases, the blue side base on the left side and the red side base on the upper right corner. There are 3 lanes. The one at the top is called top lane, the one through the middle is called mid lane, the one through the bottom is called bot lane. We also have a river that stretches over the middle of the map. This is separated into a top side river and a bot side river. If we separate the map more, we have bot side blue side, bot side red side, top side red side, and top side blue side. Knowing these terms and the terminology helps you communicate information within the game, so it's fairly good to have a decent clue of what we call the different areas of the map. More so than just the areas of the map, we have more structures that are outside our bases. We have a secondary line of towers, which is called the tier 2s, and we have an outer edge line of towers that is called the tier 1s. This is reflected on both sides of the map. The towers inside your base is the tier 3s, and these towers protect a structure that is called the inhibitor. The inhibitor protects the main objective of the game, which is the nexus. The only way you're going to be able to kill the nexus is if one of the inhibitors are killed. You also need to kill the 2 towers that are in front of the nexus. So, simply explained, we have a bunch of structures. We have jungle camps on each side from wolves, blue, gromp, crab, red, krugs, raptors, and this is reflected on both sides. So the red side jungle is the same as the red side jungle, both bot lane and top lane. We also have a dragon, and we also have herald that spawns at 10 minutes and baron that spawns at 20 minutes. That's basically a general introduction to just what we have on the map. I'm gonna go deeper into the value and how we want to focus our objective and stuff later, but it's just like a basic introduction to what we actually have on the map and how the lanes are separated and the terminology in terms of the different areas of the map.